See? So if you hit something, that O-ring will give just a little bit. And then this side. Now it's not meant to make the car bulletproof by any stretch. Oopsies. Oh, I'm so stupid. I gotta flip that around. Alright, so we put that away. Down there. And then this. At least the arms are symmetric, which is good. Put that back on. Do this. Okie dokie, and then we got to do this front brace and the front bumper. Alright, that's for the rear tower, which is a mess. Here's front bumper, and front brace should be in here. Is it not? There's other stuff in here. Where did I put the front? Oh, there it is. Silly. These Veloci shocks are pretty nice, though. I gotta say. You know what? I'm gonna find something else to put these on for sure. Maybe for the Kyosho Triumph, which is sitting right over there. I got some Kyosho shocks on it. If these are a better match for like the shock body length and everything, then maybe I'll try them. Sacrilege, I know. Okay, so this is gonna go left side like this. Yeah, so these two holes here aren't used for anything, but I have to think, what would they be used for? Because the way this mounts is you have this thing here that slots through this. Okay. Now it does kind of look like maybe you might use these two holes, but they certainly wouldn't go for the hinge pin. Even if you like turn this upside down, it wouldn't mount that way. And this is one sort of unit for this hinge pin, so it's not like you would use different holes to change the arm sweep or the kick up or anything like that. So I'm not sure what they would be used for, but no matter. And then I see. So that's going to slot right in there. And that's going to take quarter inch. Alright, so that's going to be like 6 or 7 millimeter. Thereabouts. I'd say a 6, 3x6 would be fine. 6 times 4 is 24, and it's 25.4 millimeters in an inch. So 7 would be a little too big, because that would get you to 28. So I would just use a 6 millimeter. I want to use all metric screws on this. I really don't know why Schumacher mixes metric and standard screws, and furthermore mixes threaded with like self-tapping screws. What is going on here? Is it not lining up in the hole? Okay. There we go. It just seems silly to do that. You know, every other kit that I've made, whether it's a Kyosho or Associate or Tamiya or whatever, they stick to a particular measurement unit and screw type. You know, like old associated stuff, all standard and threaded. Tamiya is metric and self-tapping, at least for the kit screws, which are dog shit. You know, Kyosho is all, and Yokomo, I believe also, it's all metric and threaded, with the exception of the bulkhead screws. Those are actually, I believe those are standard. Same kind of screws you use on the old RC10 for the front bumper. Alright, so this is, that's G, it's a 3/8. Okay, so what was that? It's like a 9, 10. Yeah. Preferably a 9, but we don't have a 9, so let's see here. And those are going to be button head. Those are flat head. Let's see, button head. So what do we have here that's close? Well, that's a 12. I know that. Alright. Shit. I got screws everywhere, and this is kind of the problem. I could use... Those are all too long. Yeah, okay. How about you? Let's see. Probably use that one. And that would be the only one of that size. I don't see another one in there. Alright. So not you. There's another place I can look, but I don't want to go there. Let's see, those are not, nope. Any button heads in here? No. Okay. And I believe I didn't get any 3x10, I got 3x12, 3x8, 3x6, a lot of 3x6. Oh, 3x10, what am I doing? Right under my nose. 3x10. Alright. Should I do 3x10? No, sorry, I really should do 3x8 for those 3/8. So that's going to be button head 3x8. 1, 2. Just like this. Alright. It's just going to go right in there. Now I imagine when I do the under tray, what's going on here? Let me line up that hole. Yep, there we go. But the under tray may end up slotting under this bumper, but I'll have to check. I'm not 100% sure about that. Alright. So now it's starting to look like a reasonably formed chassis here, which is good. Come on. Alright, I don't want to overdo it and end up stripping it. Okay, so there you go. We have the front arms in with the universals. Now, I do know that I have other drivetrain options for drive shafts, but I don't think I have, like I believe I have front and rear universals for sure. That's all way shaft stuff. But for CVDs, So this is, well, these are another set of front universals, which is great. These are, these look like potentially CVDs for the rear, but it's just one and then a bunch of axles and then these universals. I'll get to those in a minute. And we have these rear drive shafts, 2 and 4-wheel drive. Okay, and then this also rear drive shafts. So I have rear CVDs. Oh wow, and these are blade style. These are conventional style. Same length, okay, depending on what you want to run. So the CVD story here is a bit of a mess. These are not, I don't believe they're the same length. I could be wrong. Yeah, those are definitely shorter. So these might have been related to the lossy parts that this guy was running. But again, not sure. I don't know what model these are for. Definitely not for the fronts, as the front dog bone length is quite long. Maybe this is for a low seat. I don't know, because there's no label. Alright, so we're going to stick with universals in that case. So we have some CVDs, but not enough to do front and rear with confidence. Okay, so I'm going to end it here. Next thing will be the diffs, and then putting the top deck on with the gear case covers. So this piece here is easy, but the diffs are smooth, but I do want to do my due diligence here and take these apart and clean them up just to make sure they're good. So that'll probably be the majority of that video. And then let's see what comes after page 8. We got on page 9. Here, let me start putting the towers on. Okay, that's going to get fun. And then the rear CVDs, turnbuckles, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Super. Alright, well, thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll see you next time.